I just like to do a lot of research. And I found these guys on Google. They're 5 stars, really had a lot of great reviews. And for the complexity of the project I was looking for, I needed someone that I knew was going to take care of it the right way, that was going to basically be white glove service for me the whole time. What was different about Outdoor Makeover was they really could handle the whole project that we needed done. We needed everything from flattening some grass to redoing a patio to totally redoing a deck and screening it in. And they had an idea of how to manage that whole process, how to deal with permitting, how to deal with really any obstacle that we would encounter. And we had gotten quotes from probably half a dozen other people before. And these were the first people that thought about this from not just a design standpoint, but project management, execution, really end to end. And that's what we needed and we're looking for.